At the heart of Rainbow Reef, where the water itself seemed to shimmer with color, the Rainbow Fish Market was about to open for the day.
Market day! My first time alone! I can't wait!
These pearls are real,
Even the small ones?
especially those. Be fair, be honest.
I promise, Papa.
That's my girl.
So many colors! Try some candy kelp. Maybe later. Splash! You're really running the stall by yourself today? I am. Come keep me company while I sell. Wouldn't miss it. I'll be your cheering squad. Tucked behind swaying seagrass sat a stall that sparkled a little too perfectly. Rare treasures, fresh from the deepest trenches, come see. Nothing here is ordinary. Nothing here is plain.
Behold, the rarest pearl in the whole reef!
I've never seen anything like it. How much?
For you, a special price. This won't last long.
Welcome. Every pearl here is exactly as beautiful as it looks. She means it too. Best pearls on the whole reef. Take your time picking the one that's right for you. Splash, did you just see that? That pearl isn't real. I saw it too. It flickered for just a second. Was that some kind of trick we just saw? Should we tell someone? What if we're wrong about this? What if we're right and nobody else knows? I don't want anyone else getting tricked either. I can't stop thinking about that pearl we saw. Maybe it'll just sort itself out somehow. Or maybe it won't, and we'll wish we'd spoken up. Honestly, this smaller pearl has fewer flaws than that one.
You're telling me not to buy the expensive one?
I'd rather tell you the truth than make a sale.
Now that's a rare thing, an honest young fish.
Thank you, sir. I hope it serves you well.
Somehow I don't doubt that it will. I'll be back.
See? Being honest doesn't scare customers away. I was so nervous he'd be upset with me. Nervous nothing. You just made a customer for life. Excuse me, I found this shell. Ah, a curious find. Let me see. Is it magical? Indeed. It glows with hidden power. Wow. What does it do? It can guide you home. Excuse me, my shell isn't glowing anymore. I'm sure it's just resting. Shells do that sometimes. Resting? It was glowing bright as sunlight yesterday. I hear there's trouble with fading treasures. Show me. It's Inkwell's stall, Elder Coral. Several of us bought faded shells. Then let's get to the bottom of this together. Elder Coral, wait, I think I saw something. Go on, Nova. Tell her what we saw today. Come closer, little one. I'm listening carefully. We saw one of his pearls flicker, just for a second. And underneath, what exactly did you see there? A plain gray pebble, hiding behind all that shine. The truth glass had one simple, powerful gift. It's beautiful, and also kind of a little scary. It's only scary if you've got something to hide. Elder Coral, what an unexpected visit this is. Is that so? Then you won't mind a closer look. Of course not. Nothing to hide here at all.
Let's see what this treasure truly is, shall we?
Wait, please, there's really no need for that.
If there's nothing to fear, there's nothing to wait for. Under the honest light, the dazzling pearl faded completely away.
It's just a plain old rock underneath! I paid 3 whole shells for that thing!
He looked so scared standing there in front of everyone.
Are you sure? He did try to trick us all.
I know, but being scared doesn't make someone hopeless. You don't have to hide behind color to be special. You really think my own patterns are beautiful? I do. You just never gave anyone the chance to see. No one's ever called my natural patterns beautiful before. Maybe nobody ever really took the time to look. Maybe I never gave anyone the chance to look.
Here, take your payment back. I'm sorry, truly.
Well, thank you for making things right today.
It's really the least that I can do now.
I can explain everything. It's not what it looks like.
It looks exactly like what it is, a lie. Please, just let me explain myself to everyone. This market doesn't fear color, Inkwell. It fears deceit.
I only ever wanted my stall to feel special.
Then explain that honestly, and let's find a way forward.
I thought my real colors just weren't special enough.
And what do you think about that now, Inkwell?
Now I think I owe everyone here an apology. Real ink patterns, freshly painted every single morning.
These are gorgeous. Did you really make these? Every swirl, all me. No pretending required anymore.
I heard everything you did today, Nova.
I was scared the whole time, if I'm honest.
Courage usually feels that way. You did it anyway.
You stood up for what's right and helped him change. Couldn't have done any of it without you cheering.
That's exactly what best friends are for, Nova. From that day on, the truth glass hung above the market.
It looks even prettier up there than it did before. I think it's meant to remind us of something, too.
The next morning, the market opened just as always. Ready for another day, little spark of mine?
Ready as ever, Papa. Let's open the stall.
Count carefully, price fairly, tell the truth always. You sound like you've been doing this for years. Just a few days, but it feels like always.
Told my friend here, this is the honest stall.
High praise from someone so hard to impress. I'll do my very best to live up to that.
Funny, I sell less shine now, but I feel happier.
Honest work agrees with you, it seems to me.
It really does. I should have tried it sooner. Thank you for seeing more in me than I did.
I just told you the truth, that's all it was.
A pretty good gift that truth turned out to be.
I've never traded before. I'm not sure how.
Don't worry, take your time. I'll help you.
Thank you. Everyone says this stall is the friendliest.
One day, she'll teach this lesson to someone else.
I think she's already kind of doing that now.
I suppose you're right about that, Bubbles. Every stallholder took pride in trading honestly now.
Best market on the whole reef, everyone agrees. Best because it's honest, that's what matters most. I used to think honesty just meant not lying. Now I think it's about being brave enough to be seen. Even the plain, gray pebble parts of yourself.
This one's genuine, through and through, just like you.
It's perfect, Papa. I'll treasure it forever.
I know you will. You treasure real things best.
A market built on trust doesn't need enforcing, only remembering. Do you really believe it will last, Elder Coral? As long as fish like Nova swim through it, yes.
Not bad at all, old friend. Not bad at all. Took me long enough to actually like what I saw. Better late than never, I suppose, in the end.
Best market day ever. Wouldn't you say, Nova? Best market day ever. No question about it. Think tomorrow could possibly top a day like this? As night settled, the market grew quiet and still.
but the glow above it never quite faded away. And somewhere below, a young fish slept with a smile. In her dreams, the whole reef glowed with honest light. Every stall shone true, with no hidden shadows anywhere. It was the most beautiful market she had ever seen.
And so another honest morning began at the market.
Morning! Beautiful day for honest trading, isn't it? Every single day is a good day for that.
Sunlit Cove Market, open for honest business today.
Sounds like a fine motto to me, Nova.
I might just paint it right on our sign.
I want your finest pearl, and it better be worth it.
Of course, sir. Let me show you what we have. No fancy talk. Just show me the truth of it.
A fish who corrects his mistake is welcome here.
Thank you, Elder Coral. I won't forget this day.
See that you don't. Trade well from now on.
Perhaps the truth glass should hang above the square permanently.
Do you think that's needed now that it's settled?
It's a reminder worth keeping, not just today's fix.
Official Truth Glass Keeper reporting for duty today.
Keep it polished and bright, and everyone thanks you.
You can count on me, Elder Coral, always.
The sunlit cove market shimmered on, every trade fair and true.
See you tomorrow, Coral Cove Reef. Sleep well tonight. Every trade fair, every word true. Thanks for watching.
Word had spread across the reef about this place. I swam 3 tides just to see it myself. You won't be disappointed at all, trust me on that.